Saan ka mas masaya? Sa guy o sa girl?
At the end of the day, na in love ka dahil tao. It's a union of hearts and minds. Yung sex, ano lang yan icing on the cake Ultimately, ang kailangan mo yung cake. Wala ka paglalagyan ng icing kung walang cake. So, ang foundation mo is a union of hearts and minds. It has nothing to do with gender. You know, after a certain point, you reach a certain state of mind na wala ka nang pakialam sa sinasabi ng tao. You know what I mean? So you follow your heart and your mind. So when you find two souls that get along with each other, does it matter if it's a man or a woman? Sabi kasi natin, di ba, love is omnipotent. Love is all-powerful. Love has no boundaries. Whatever cliche you can think of. Pero siyo, pag sinabi mo, I can only fall in love with a man, or I can only fall in love with a woman, nilagyan mo na ng boundary yung love. O asa na yung love has no boundaries? Asa na yung omnipotence of love? So, ikaw mismo, nirendahan mo yung love. But if you want to embrace the cliches, then why put boundaries?